Hello everyone, welcome to our online video tutorial series, and today we will learn about trigonometric functions class 11 math part 6. In this video lecture we will learn about the factorization and defactorization formulas. So let's start. So before we proceed, let's revise few identities that sin x plus y will be equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and sin x minus y will be sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Then cos x plus y will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. And cos x minus y will be cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So let's start today's class. So first of all, we will do the defactorization formula. That means whenever we have these trigonometric identities given in the form of factors and we have to defactorize them, then we will apply these identities. So we will start from, we know that sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and sin x minus y is sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So let's add them. So if I add equation 1 and equation 2, so what will happen? This cos x sin y will be get cancelled, and we will have sin x plus y plus sin x minus y will be equal to sin x cos y. This is also sin x cos y, so it will become 2 sin x cos y. So this is our first result. It's very easy that 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So let's find out the second one. This time we will prove that 2 cos x sin y is equal to sin x plus y minus sin of x minus y. So let's start with the same equations, that sin x plus y and sin x minus y. So what is the change here? Instead of adding, we will subtract this time. So let's subtract them, and if I am subtracting, then I will change the sign. This will become negative, negative and positive. So this time this sin x cos y will be cancelled, and what I will have? Sin of x plus y minus sin of x minus y, and this side we will have 2 cos x into sin y. Next, third identity is 2 cos x cos y is equal to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. And to prove this, we will take cos of x plus y, that is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, and cos of x minus y. So how I got this idea? I got this idea from this side. See, it is written cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y. So I selected these two identities, and now if I add them, so if I add 1 and 2, so this sin x sin y will be cancelled and I'll get my result, that is. And how I got this idea that I have to add? See, there is a positive sign in between them. So first I make this equation 1, I made this equation as 2, and then I added them. So it becomes cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y, and this will become 2 cos x cos y. Next is minus 2 sin x sin y. So children, you can suppose that what we are going to do first. First I am going to write down cos of x plus y. So let's write. Then I will write down identity for cos of x minus y. Yes. And then what we will do with this? We will subtract them. So let's subtract 1 and 2. And if we subtract, then I will get, this will become negative, this will negative, and this will become positive. So cos x cos y will be cancelled. So this will remain cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y, and this side it will become minus and minus, this is minus 2 sin x sin y. So these were the defactorization formula. Let's learn about the factorization formula also. So we know that sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y is equal to 2 sin x cos y. Okay, in case if I replace this x plus y with theta and x minus y with phi, then what will happen? So let's take x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to y. See dear children, if x plus y is equal to theta, and x minus y is equal to 5, and if I add them, so I'll get 2x is equal to theta plus 5. So value of x will be theta plus 5 by 2. And in case I will subtract them, x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to 5. And if I subtract them, then I'll get 2y is equal to theta minus 5 by, and this y will be theta minus 5 by 2. So that will be the value of x and y. So by solving x and y, I got x is equal to theta plus 5 by 2 and y is equal to theta minus 5 by 2. So what we have to do, we have to just replace this. See, x plus y is equal to theta, x minus y is equal to phi. So left hand side will become sine theta plus sine phi, and right hand side if you see 2 sine x cos y it is. So it will become 2 sine, what is x? X will be theta plus phi by 2 and cos will be theta minus phi by 2. So this is my factorization identity, that sine theta plus sine phi is equal to 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 and cos theta minus phi by 2. For second identity, let's take the second defactorization formula, that is sine of x plus y minus sine x minus y. Again we will do same thing. We will take x plus theta, x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi. So let's select them and solve it for x and y. What we'll get? X will be theta plus phi by 2 and y will be theta minus phi by 2. So let put these four values, value of x plus y, x minus y, value of x and value of y in equation number 1. So it will become sine theta x plus y is equal to theta minus sine, this x minus y will become phi is equal to 2 cos of, and x will be theta plus phi by 2 and y will become theta minus phi by 2. So our final output will become sine theta minus sine phi is 2 cos of theta plus phi by 2 sine theta minus phi by 2. And for third identity, let's take third defactorization formula, which was cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y is equal to 2 cos x cos y. Same thing we will apply, x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi. So value of x and y will become theta plus phi by 2 and y will be theta minus phi by 2. And if I put the value again, so it will convert into cos theta plus cos phi will be equal to 2 cos of theta plus phi by 2 and cos of theta minus phi by 2. And again fourth defactorization formula was cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y was equal to minus 2 cos of x cos of y. So let's put x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi. And we will solve for x and y and we will get the value of x and y. And what we will do now? We will put all these four values in equation 1. So we will get our fourth factorization formula, that is cos theta minus cos phi is equal to minus 2 cos of theta plus phi by 2 and cos of theta minus phi by 2. So these were the total 8 identities we discussed. 4 factorization formula and 4 defactorization formula. So how we will learn them, student? I am giving you a trick. So here is the trick to remember. So s plus s is equal to 2sc, s minus s is 2cs, c plus c is 2cc and c minus c is minus 2ss. Actually, by learning this trick, we will remember all the 8 identities. What you have to do? First, you have to remember s plus s, s minus s, write c plus c and c minus c. Isn't it easy? First 2s add, then subtract, then c plus c and c minus c. This side to sc, to cs and to cc minus 2 ss. You can make any trick also to remember them. This side, that Supreme Court said that computer science will be something, whatever you can remember. Okay. So how does this help us to remember these 8 identities? First I am going to solve defactorization formula. So our first formula was, see, this will be written as x plus y, and for the second term write x minus y. So it will become sine x plus y plus sine of x minus y will be equal to 2 sine x cos y. So here S stands for sine and C stands for cos. If I am doing this side x plus y and this side I have to write down x minus y, here x and y. So what will be second identity then? So my second identity will become sine of x plus y minus sine of x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sine y. So let's write it. Sine of x plus y minus sine x minus y is equal to 2 cos x sine y. And what will be third one? Cos of x plus y, cos of x minus y is equal to 2 cos x cos y. And the next will be cos of x plus y minus cos of x plus y, x minus y is equal to 2 minus 2 sin x sin y. So let's write fourth one also. So isn't it easy to remember? Okay, next four with the same trick. So I'm writing the same trick and let's see how it will help us. So what you have to do this time, we will write 2 and this side we will write down theta and phi. And this side with first term write theta plus phi by 2 and second term will be theta minus phi by 2. So it will become sine theta plus sine phi will be equal to 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 cos theta minus phi by 2, and this will become sine theta minus sine phi is equal to 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 sine theta minus phi by 2. Next will be cos theta plus cos phi will be 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 and cos theta minus phi by 2. And next last will be cos theta minus cos phi will become minus 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 and theta minus phi by 2. So in this way we can remember all these 8 identities. What you have to do? First s plus s, s minus s, c plus c and c minus c. And this side 2sc, 2cs, 2cc and minus 2ss. So simple. So that was our today's video lecture. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for being with us.